Hello guys, it's a boy Bravo now in the building again. Today we're going to continue with our regular training as usual. This is our character and today we're going to do weight painting. Last tutorial we did what we call character rigging. Today we're gonna paint weight to our character. This weight now you go allow you make you move your character around as you like. So currently we did post mode as you see so, and I go change the post mode to object mode. So I go select the hair, I go select the body so that now the hair where I go join to the body, no be say the body now I go join to the hair, you understand. Now to make our character one mesh, I don't join the two objects. So now I go first select the mesh like so until I see yellow line around my character mesh, and then I go make sure I select the bone. So as I select the bone last now, I go press Ctrl P and then I go choose with automatic weight. So like so, and Blender don't tell us say we don't do something. So to confirm what we just do right now, you go make sure you select the bone first and then select the mesh like so, shift select the mesh and then go to change the option here to weight paint, and then if I should press Alt A to deselect all these bones. So you go shift select the head bone. The moment where you say they control that place fully, and then this color shey na brown or na waiting. So as you go see the color they reduce. So as the color they reduce, it means say the effect of the bone they reduce. So anywhere you see say na red, it means say the bone na that place the bone dey control. So if wetin I dey do be say I go press Alt A to deselect the bone wey I don select, and then I go select any other bone with shift again, press shift and select any other. In my viewport now, you go see say from front to back this bone dey control all that part like so. So now wetin I dey do be say I dey add weight, but we go discuss this in later tutorial. But I wan just show you quick way to add weight to your character. So after adding this weight now, I go fit dey move my character any part of the character where I wan move. But right now we go discuss more about weight painting anytime when you get even more complex character than my own. So now I will go back to object mode like so. I go select the bone and I go change them to post mode. So if I change them to post mode and I select any bone of my choice from top view now, if I should rotate this one in the Z axis, you go see say my mesh go rotate. But we get one problem for here. You see say as I dey rotate now, some distortion dey happen. But to control this thing now, I never parent something. I gats parent all these finger bones to the wrist bone, because if the wrist bone move, if I move am now, you see say the finger bones no dey move. And for our real hand, you know say if you move your hand, the fingers too go dey move. But so I go begin with this side. So if I press shift select the bone, I go see all the entire area where this pinky bone dey control. So if I select each and every of this bone, I go to see the effect of each finger bone. So wetin I gats do now be say I go set parent mode. I go select all these last bones wey you dey see here. So I go select this one last. So anyone where you select last, now it go be the parent. So I go press Ctrl P and then I go choose keep offset. So the moment where you choose keep offset now, you go see these relationship lines. Now relationship lines with the column. So if I go to post mode now and I rotate this thing like so, you go see say the hand they follow. So I go do the same thing what I just do now for this left hand. I go do them for the right hand. So to return your bone to the correct position where it did before, now Ctrl G or Ctrl R. If you rotate them, it means say Alt R, sorry, alternative, Alt R go snap the bone back to the original place where it did. But if na G where you use to move the bone, now Alt G where you go press. So if you know dey sure which one, just press Alt R or G, and then you go reset your bone to the position where it's supposed to be. So I go zoom in on the left and right hand side like so, and then I go do the same thing where I just do for the left hand. So I go select all of these bones here, make I zoom in properly so you go to see wetin I dey do. So I go select, make sure say you dey editing mode, because right now na post mode I dey. If you dey post mode dey do this thing, you no go work. Post mode na blue in color when you select your bone, but editing mode na yellow. And so I go press I go select all this one, press Ctrl P, and then choose keep offset. Don't choose connected, we're going to talk about connected later. So now I can go back to post mode. So if I should check if this one dey work now, you go see say it dey work. So now rotation mode where I dey. So if I want return now, wetin I go press? I don't tell you before, if you remember. Okay, now Alt R where you go press, or Alt G, depending on the one where you use transform the position of the bone. So now this is how to add weight to your character. Now we don't add weight. Wetin remain be say we go to animate our character. But remember I said this character never complete, but because I don't want bore you with character modeling all the time, now anyway they do this. So if I select the head bone now and I press this rotation button from the screen, and I start to rotate in the Y or X axis, any axis. So you remember I say red na X. So if I select the upper leg and move on, you go see say our character they raise in leg. So if I should select any part of this character now and I rotate arm, go they rotate in the direction where I go rotate them. So we don't add one to our character now, and I think in the next tutorial where we go to do, we go to animate them. But one thing again we go do, we say you guys parent these two upper leg, right and left, to the waist, because by the time where we move waist, make I go to post mode now. So if I should rotate waist, the waist in real life, if I rotate my waist now, you go see my legs go to move. So if I should select the waist like so and I rotate time, you go see the leg they move. But this kind of movement right now, we never complete something. So make I sharply do some things now. So make I go to editing mode again, because the hand safe. If I should press Alt P now, I go fit clear parent in case you make mistake. Make I show you wetin go happen if the parenting no dey there. You see wetin dey happen now. So the character they move from that side, but this is how I want the waist. Anytime where I move the waist, make the leg to move. So I go select the hand upper arm like so, the both upper arm like so. Shift select these two upper arm. Sorry, now the tip where I select. So go make sure say now the body where I select. I go select the chest bone last, and then Control P, then keep offset. So if I go to post mode now, if I should rotate the waist, you go see the hand too go follow. Unlike before, we say the hand no dey follow. So I go press Alt R, Alt G to reset my pose. So if I rotate the stomach bone like so, you go see our character go bend and the ends go follow. So if we no parent time to this one now, it no go happen. But because we don't parent time, and this one now the child of the stomach bone. So as we move this one, the chest bone they move, and the chest bone they help move the hand of our character. I hope you understand. So I'm going to explain more and more a little bit. I think 2 or 3 tutorials, 2 at max. I go don't finish explaining how character bones work. I know you are excited. You want to start animating your character. Now why we they go at this pace? So for now, I just they fancy my character, so I they look the job where I don't do. I appreciate the work, so you should also do the same. You can they appreciate your work, so they hobby it. And then I think before we animate our character, I don't know, maybe I should just complete the character first. Maybe I should add the eyes and the teeth so that, or anyhow you think you go fit comment in the comment below. Tell me which one where you like. So guys, please like my this thing, share, and then you know. All right, see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.